very instructive, very encouraging us to see the importance of singing during the celebration of the Mass. According to this little reading that I had, the Christian faithful who come together as one in expectation of the Lord's coming are instructed by St. Paul to sing together psalms and hymns and spiritual canticles. According to St. Paul, singing is the sign of the joy of the heart. Singing is the sign of the joy of the heart. And according to St. Augustine, singing is for one who loves. And there is also an ancient proverb that says, whoever sings well, prays twice over.